dito po sa tunga sa ating red carpet. Ayan, best in gown. Ayan. And also, kagawa this one. And cash prize also daw po, madam. Ate, ikaw ba daw cash prize? Kasi nalimot na ako. Baka na ako. Ayan, ate. Shayna. Shiana. Ada pa rin yung cash prize. Worth 100,000 pesos ni. O, di na sayang. O, sa sunod naman next year, bungan tanggaw na. Okay. Anyway, congratulations for your art. Ayan, congratulations po sa ating best in gown, Reyna Elena of Purok Sais. And best in art from Purok Siete. Congratulations po. And that's to sum up. Salamat po sa tanan. And good night po, everyone. Have a blessed day. And mag-enjoy po. Siguro po may sarayaw sila. Thank you very much. And of course po, did it take up? How an acknowledgement? Closing remarks for with Honorable Aaron B. Abapo. Ayan ito po.
Salamat ma'am sa mo